Hey everyone, my name is Matt Bates, and I am excited to be a part of the Collision family. I've been playing drums all my life, but took it seriously when our drummer quit in the studio and we had to figure it out. I am an independent artist, but I do play with bands throughout the Philadelphia area and do some studio work. Um, I like Collision because their customer service is great. And they have an even better product. I like to play the 5BR stick. It has the extra length I'm looking for, and the weight of the stick can do a lot of the work for me, which is always nice. I'm going to play a song titled Adios by the band Time in Philadelphia that I'm currently playing with. They're incredible. I encourage everybody to go check them out. I'm very excited to be playing with those guys, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks.